A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for boy with the cap on his head. C is for cat, who purrs with delight. D is for dog, who barks with might. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog, who hops all day. G is for giraffe, so tall and grand. H is for hat, that sits on your head. Sing with me, sing the ABCs. Learning together, it's as easy as can be. From A to Z, we'll have some fun. Let's keep singing until we're done. I is for ice cream, so sweet and cold. J is for jelly, with colors bold. K is for kangaroo, jumping so high. L is for lion, king of the sky. M is for monkey, swinging on a tree. N is for nest, where the birds like to be. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, sliding with delight. Sing with me, sing the ABCs. Learning together, it's as easy as can be. From A to Z, we'll have some fun. Let's keep singing until we're done. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rainbow, colors coming down. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for turtle, slow and light. U is for umbrella, keeping you dry. V is for violin, playing a sigh. W is for whale, swimming so deep. X is for xylophone, making a beep. Y is for yak, with long shaggy hair. Z is for zebra, stripes everywhere. Sing with me, sing, sing the ABCs. Learning together, it's as easy as can be. From A to Z, we've had our fun. Now we're done, but learning's just begun.